All right, we're doing an update video. It's been a while. We've been busy. We had some setbacks, some bad weather, but we're back. And I'm not sure what was going on in our last video, so I apologize. Tile is done, and we had moved on, started baseboards, and we had the plumber come back, put the fixtures in, and we tried out the shower. And we found a problem, and I wanted to show this to everyone because I don't want anybody else to be in this situation.
I don't have any hair, but if I was to, I'm banging.
You still have to rinse off. So I got in here, I was hitting my elbow on this constantly. So we have since decided to take out the insert and tile. So this is our tile that we're doing, much to Chris's dismay.
We tried to save money and time and do this, and didn't work.
Yeah, so now we gotta put tile in.
So today is tear out shower day.
Alright.